our turn. Oh, we have stars pala. Okay. That's all I get.
Hi, good evening. Welcome to Starbucks Damosa Drive-Thru. This is Rems. What can I get for you?
Hi, just coffee jelly, tall, decaf.
Tall coffee jelly decaf, right?
Yes.
Can I ask for your name?
And
Ann po, with double N?
yes.
Alright.
I have to pay with my app kaso I need to reload pa.
Ang alin po?
Yung sa app.
Sa app po? Sa window na lang po yan siya, ma'am.
Okay.
May additional pa po tayo, Miss Ann?
Yun lang.
Alright.
Thank
Let's go to the
you.
first window. Thank
Okay.
you.
Ding, ding, ding.
We can see who is
No?
a woman.
Woman? Who is that woman?
Red.
Sorry. Hi!
Hi,
Reload muna ako.
Send ko muna yung Starbucks red.
Okay.
Rezi. I know their names. I know them.
Yeah, you know them.
Oh, I know you. Your name is Remix. Bali, generate nyo na lang po yung details ko.
Ako mag-generate?
Yes po.
Okay.
Send ko lang po yung Alright. Okay.
Thank you.
Are you getting secrets po sa app na po ba yun?
Mm-mm.
Alright, there you go. I'm here.
Thank you.
He's calling you, mommy. He's
Sorry.
calling me.
Thank you. Ang layo ko pala. Thank you. Thank you.
See us again.
Thank you.
The man is not listening to me.
Yung man is not listening to you?
I'm talking to the man.
You're talking to the man? Where is